So recently I've been testing this Comet browser and I found a pretty amazing thing which is called control browser. So what it does is it basically controls everything what you can do on browser. Suppose I will say open my Facebook and reply messages. Okay, so just do that. So now you see, so if it opened my Facebook, it's going to the page that I'm admin of, and it'll go to message, and it can reply. Somebody is asking some question, so it'll read it out. The message is here. Probably, so if I had given like more in depth, suppose reply all of them saying thanks for contacting. We will reach out you soon. So just do that. So now it'll start replying as well. So just sit and watch. I don't need to do anything. So it's locating there. So it says thanks for contacting. We'll reach out to you soon. So it'll go to now other message, and it'll again start replying that as well. So this is just a basic one. Let me stop this one for now before I run out of credit. So I'll say go to Canva and design a poster for happy birthday to my friend Arjun. So I'll just do that. So now you see, so it'll go to Canva, it'll design the stuff for you, and you don't need to do anything. So you can switch the browser or do whatever you want to do. So it'll do its job. So you can see, so it's now going to Canva. So it says it's going to template, happy birthday poster it's searching for, and so you'll use the template, and it can do pretty much everything you can imagine of. So it's asking for the Canva business, so it'll use the free one. So since I don't have the premium version of it, so it'll choose the free version. So even you can see, since it was a premium one, so now it's choosing the free one. I'm not doing anything, I'm not touching even my screen. So this is how much powerful it has become. So if you scroll down, so you can see it's customizing the birthday template, customizing the birthday poster layout. So I have given my friend name Arjun. So let's see what it does. Happy Arjun. Okay, did I say happy birthday? Okay, so it's doing its job. So let's see what it does. We can even make changes at the end, but let's see. Let's see what it does. Now it's making it. After a few tries, so it was able to make just like this. So even just, this could be just a beginning, but just wanted to show you how capable it has become. Let's try one more thing. Suppose if I want to write an email, go to my Gmail and draft an email to send to Arjun at codewitharjun.com, saying tomorrow we can meet at coffee shop for quick chat around 11 a.m. Okay, just do this and click enter. You see, so this will go to the Gmail, it'll compose the email now. So you see how quick it is. So it went to Gmail, so it went to compose. So you can see how quick it made. Now it'll make it as a draft, ready to send. So you can see, hi Arjun, hope you're doing well. I wanted to reach out to you to meet at coffee shop tomorrow for quick chat around 11. So this is how the AI is moving towards. So this is pretty good. So you could be doing you could be responding hundreds of messages like within some seconds. You can even design something, you can email, you can respond some of the things. You can even do a lot of things that you do on regular basis and which are repeated tasks in your browser. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. I will be sharing similar type of videos with you guys if you give me a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next one.